this is exactly how the unit should look. It's going to have the left face frame, right face frame, and then the center support face frame. The bottom will be open to the floor, just the way it is here. What you could do in the top section, well, what I would do is I would cut into the base trim to accept the face frame, so that could fit in. So you would just notch the base trim for the face frame to go in. Then the bottom part would be open to the floor. You could leave the base trim in after the face frame is inserted on the right side and then the left side. And then the section above this will be divided by the face frame, but then there's also going to be a section that extends back. And if you have a back on it and a side on it, then you could bolt into the studs, and that would support the cleating slash bottom section for the top that's going to go on top. So this 1-inch thick wood top would be stained to match the flooring sample that I have, and it would have a dado in it to take the 9.5-inch deep vertical divider. There would be a 9.5-inch deep vertical side support there, another 9.5-inch deep vertical side support there. There would be a back on it, so the back would extend up to the top, where this section just has the center divider. It has a back, it also has a side, but this top section is going to be this depth. So this is a 14-inch depth hanging over the 9.5-inch deep section. So if this is 14, this overhang here has got to be finished on the underside. Side, back, vertical middle support, back, side. And then the cap, which crowns the whole piece, is just a flat lateral face frame, 1.5-inch thick lateral style that will hang over, and then the top will be finished with finished plywood so that there's another storage section up. There is no utilities to avoid besides the 220 line for the dryer and the opening for the vent for the dryer. I can leave the base trim intact besides where I'm going to slide the face frame into it. And that would be it. That is the whole unit. The unit will look like this when it's constructed as far as how it occupies a space, aside from the depths that we changed.